Hi, this is Chris and welcome to my shop. Here we have my winter project. This is a 1969 John Deere 4520, serial number 5143. I took the 404 out and installed a 466 out of a 6620 combine. I put all new bushings in the front axle, pivot bushings, bell crank bushings, spindle bushings. Had them all cryogenically treated to increase the wearability. I put a new hydraulic pump in it. I took the radiator out, took that to a shop. They took it all apart, cleaned it out good. I used the alternator and bracket from the 404. The belt set and the front pulley are new. I ordered those from a 4430. I used my original air cleaners. This tractor used to shut off with a key. Now it shuts off with a cable. That's from a 4440. The dipstick and the tube also from a 4440. I installed a late model valve cover and the candy cane vent in order to use my original air cleaner. The valve cover on this engine had the vent right there in the middle, and it interfered with the pedestal that the air cleaner set on. And of course, this being an early 4520, the valve cover that was on it was all solid, because the early ones, they vented down here. There's an extension on the block. There was a big hose there. That's where they vented. I put all new gauges in the dash, except for the tachometer still has original tack. As much wiring as I could get new through John Deere. New headlights, halogens. The wiring for all of the rear end is new. Has Firestone 23 degree 20.8 R42s on it with the original 38-inch cast center. I got the rims from Unverfirth. They're a special rim to fit both. The duals are the same setup. All four on cast, same tires, same rim. New lights on the back, new flashers, new PTO seal. I've been using it in the hayfield, so it's set up kind of wide. A lot of our fields are very hilly, and I was pulling a 16-foot hydro swing, but I want to put my loader back on it. It's an archway loader, so I'm going to jack it up and move those tires in, put the duals back on it. And then those tires up there by the door, those are the front tires for when I have the loader on. Those are the Goodyear Super Singles. Those are 385 65 R22.5s. I'll take the multi-tracks off, put those on. I use the turbo, exhaust manifold, and water manifold and water pump off the 404. The intake manifold is off of 4230. I put an external coolant heater on, silicone hoses. Took the 3 metal pipes off for the power steering. You can see I replaced those with hoses. I put the cast iron oil pan on from the 404. I also put a clutch in it. I had a company make me a ceramic 6-button clutch disc. I had all the plates in there turned, the metal plates. Has all new clutch fingers, springs, bolts, pivot pins. The flywheel's been turned, new ring gear. And like I said, I had the bushings treated. I have the whole entire clutch cryogenically treated also. You can see this tractor on YouTube with the loader on it. If you look up John Deere 4520 with Artsway loader, you'll see it with the duals and the big front tires and the loader on. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Have a good day.